Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to ROMs for You. WaveOS 4.8 is an updated version of last 4.7, and today we will be looking at latest WaveOS 4.8 official build running on Xiaomi POCO F1. To begin with, let's quickly get into About Phone session. As you see, the ROM is WaveOS version 4.8. They are using latest security patch from 5th September 2021, and Android version is of course 11. Kernel they are using is Silver Core 10.1, and SE Linux status is by default enforcing. Under System Settings, there are Backup, Reset options and Multi-User options as well. Under Display Settings, there is option for Display Cutout. You will be able to hide your notch with this option. After hiding notch, I didn't notice any issues. The buttons here allow you to enable or disable Advanced Restart option. Also, you will be able to enable Playback control. As you see, both options are working pretty well. When comes to battery settings, there is option for viewing detailed usage. You will be getting a graph with maximum battery using applications. Another option here is pixel thermal profiles. There are multiple profiles present and you can select them according to your need. Under security settings, there is option for screen lock, fingerprint, IR, face unlock and app lock as well. All these options work pretty well. Fingerprint and IR face unlock are faster enough. You won't be seeing any lags or jitters with these options. When you come back to settings menu, there is option for customization. But unlike other AOSP ROMs, this ROM does not contain any major customizations. There are very minimal customization present, and you will be able to see that under customization options. As this ROM does include the AOD, and it works pretty well. You will be able to select different clock styles from here. The QS panel animations are pretty smooth and faster. I didn't notice any jitters while opening QS panel. There are many tiles available, including screen recorder, FPS info and more. All these options are working pretty good. You can add more tiles from selecting edit option. You will be able to enable each tiles by selecting them. And FPS and screen recorder are working pretty good. After enabling screen recorder, I didn't face any jitters or lags. The screen recorder here is also capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. The reason menu includes share and clear all option as well, and both these works pretty good. No other options available as of now. When comes to dialer, the ROM does not contain any automatic call recording feature. You will have to rely on third-party call recorders for the purpose. ROM does comes out with Google Go Cam, and it is not that much feature rich, but you will be able to use this for your basic needs. If you want more features, you may need to rely on Google Cam. Another important point about this ROM is the thermal handling. As same as the previous build, this ROM is also capable of holding temperature under 40 degrees Celsius. The temperature you are seeing is after I finished the benchmarking and CPU throttling test. Overall test took nearly 1 hour. So now that being said, when talking about benchmarking, AnTuTu scores 4,21,000 plus. The scores are a bit higher due to I am using AnTuTu Bench 9-point series. When come to Geekbench, after setting up gaming thermals, the ROM does scores for single core 426 and multi-core 2185, which are decent scores for Snapdragon 845. The ROM does also comes with a gallery application. And to understand more about performance, I did do a 30-minute CPU throttling test. The graph did started dropping after 10 minutes. And the ROM was able to pull out average score of 1,76,000 plus, which are not that pleasing score for Snapdragon 845. When comes to DRM info, the ROM is also certified for Widevine L1. Next is gaming test BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. FPS and screen recorder are enabled. While gaming is going on, let's conclude the video. The main plus point of WaveOS 4.7 was its thermal handling with above average gaming experience. But in this build, even after setting up gaming thermals, there was major frame drops and lags noticed. Using a performance-based thermal can fix this issue. Since there is no major change in this ROM, if you are already in 4.7 and getting a bug-free experience, I prefer to stay there. So that's it guys, this is all about WaveOS 4.8. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.